ranking the best Rio Bird cosplays.
I need to come down from oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping in.
A little too aggressive. Not hating on your creativity, but I think I got this one. Follow my lead.
From last year. Also, just to add more feathers, I have a burlesque fan. Y'all know I love these so much, especially for a good, like, grand reveal moment. This is a lot.